Hello, and welcome to another update video about DOT. DOT is showing a promising reaction to micro support, basically to both support areas, yeah. And with the latest dip here that actually happened today, yeah, into today's low. Was it today? Yeah, early in the morning. When the price bottomed there at 650, it didn't only touch the micro support area or test the micro support for the yellow wave 2 pullback, which is the more directly bullish scenario. No, it even touched again the lower or larger support area, which is relevant for the broader wave 4 outlook. Now on this chart as well, like on many other charts, I've been sketching here 1-2 setups onto the charts where we saw a potential initial micro 5-wave move to the upside from the lows. And this here, as I said in previous updates, looks more like a bottoming confirmation, as the move up looked like one on the 9th of December, because this was more clearly a 3-wave move. This here indeed could have been a 5-wave move, but the condition was that we're holding 638, because the 638 level is key support for a wave 2. So if this here already completed the entire correction, then the idea was, okay, obviously we don't know, right? But that first reaction to support made it somewhat promising, right? So we had the first rally, a corrective pullback clearly in a 3-wave structure. And now a 3rd wave rally to the upside could be unfolding. Now, this is obviously only green candle now. Now, I saw it in the last few days, people got less interested in crypto. Now we see a few green candles, people get more interested again. Even though it's best to get interested when the price is in support, not when the price is already showing a major reaction. It's okay, it's not massive, but still from that last low when the price bottomed, it's around 8% to the upside. It was a good intraday move. Certainly we had it's the most promising reaction we've now had in a little while, so we'll see if that takes us somewhere. It certainly doesn't really look like a triangle anymore, right? So the white wave count, which is the more cautious outlook, I would say is reducing in probability right now as we speak. It's however not invalidated, and I would really like to see a break above the green line. If I remember, is it $6? No, it's $7.80. I would like to see a break above that 780 level for a more solid confirmation that not only the larger degree 4th wave already bottomed on the 20th of December, but that also the internal wave 2 correction already bottomed, and that we're on our way up in a 3rd wave. So this is pretty much the roadmap for the next move up. Let's first see if we can get a 5-wave move up done. The structure allows us to determine a roadmap here. If this was really a micro 5-wave move up in yellow wave 1, then we can calculate based on the recent low the target for what would be yellow wave 3, and then wave 4 as well, and wave 5. So what we normally want to see is that a 3rd wave gets to the 138% extension. Here we talk about $9.20. Now this is of course only valid as long as the intraday low is holding, which formed at 650. Any break below the intraday low would require a readjustment of that upside target, the 138% extension. But anyway, we can go with that for now as long as the intraday low is holding, and a break above the green line would be, as I said, further confirmation that we're actually getting there. And then what we can do as well is add the VRVP volume profiles to get an understanding of where is the point of control. So there should be some resistance there around 860. It just shows us where do we have the largest spike of historical volume. So that should be an area where it's going to get a bit choppy in that area here. Not exactly there, maybe all the way up to $9. And this could be a little bit difficult to get through this area. But if it's a 3rd wave, the market should do it. And then once we have a 3rd wave top in place, maybe the wave 4 should, test sort of the 830 area. And then wave 5 should send us higher to at least 977. So essentially I need 5 waves to 977 plus next. But for now, we're just focusing here on the shorter time frame. I think it's important now over the coming sessions to observe closely the structure for any weakness, observe the intraday low, and pay attention to that breakout point to the upside. The top of yellow wave 1 should confirm that yellow wave 3 is unfolding. That's the update about DOT. Hope you liked the update. If you did, please hit the like button, leave a comment, and subscribe. And if you really like the content, then please check out the channel membership. Also, make sure that you follow us on Instagram and Twitter for additional content. Thanks a lot for watching. Bye-bye.